F1, and you press those two little joysticks here, and right. The great thing about it, about law enforcement, is that the fact you're not based in a same place all the time. It's not like, you know, people are going to say, oh, you can go ahead, he's in the marina. You don't get that. The boat could be in different places all the time. And if you need to refuel, you don't need to go to a marina. Just bring a truck and you can refuel. And then when you don't use it, keep it on land, no bottom paint, less maintenance, you know, less corrosion issues. And I'll do are you hanging on?
Yeah.
So we'll do it quickly, so to show how quickly we can be operating.